Ever pondered over the ethereal question, what if one day, the internet just ceased to exist? Imagine a world where there's no instantaneous communication, no immediate access to information, or no virtual marketplace. Quite a daunting thought, isn't it? Our lives are so intricately woven with the internet, it's almost as if the World Wide Web has become an extension of our very existence. In the vast cosmos of the internet, there's a tiny hero embarking on a grand adventure every millisecond. Meet our protagonist, the humble data packet. The life of a data packet is an epic journey, fraught with challenges and victories, a journey that's largely invisible yet immensely critical. Imagine a data packet as a fearless messenger. It carries within its tiny form a wealth of information, whether it's a ripple of laughter from a hilarious video, a heartfelt message in an email, or a critical piece of data for a financial transaction. Each data packet is unique, carrying its own specific address coded into it, a roadmap to its destination. The journey starts when the data packet leaves your device. It plunges into the vast network of cables and wires, zipping through the labyrinth with incredible speed. The world beneath the surface is a bustling metropolis, with traffic cops in the form of routers and switches directing the flow of data. These devices read the address of the data packet and guide it towards its destination. But the journey isn't always smooth sailing. Sometimes data packets get lost or delayed. Maybe they took a wrong turn or got stuck in a data traffic jam. But fear not, the internet is smart and resilient. It quickly realizes the loss and resends the missing packet or finds an alternate route. And sometimes, the data packets have to take the scenic route. In remote areas where the usual highways of cables and satellites don't reach, pigeons come to the rescue. These feathered carriers transport data packets stored in USB sticks, a method known as IP over Avian Carriers. It's not the fastest method, but it gets the job done. Finally, after a journey filled with twists and turns, the data packet reaches its destination, delivering the information it carried. The recipient device reassembles the data, bringing forth the message, the video, or the transaction data, completing the epic journey of the data packet. In a nutshell, the internet is a magical realm. It's a bustling city, a wild jungle, a vast ocean, and a starry sky all at once. It's a place where data packets embark on epic journeys every millisecond, where routers and switches act as vigilant traffic cops, and where even pigeons can become data carriers. The true beauty of the internet lies in its democratic nature. It's a canvas where anyone can paint, a stage where anyone can perform, and a marketplace where anyone can trade. From cat videos to quantum physics, from shopping to gaming, the internet offers a universe of possibilities. So the next time you send an email, watch a video, or make an online purchase, spare a thought for the tiny hero that makes it all possible, the humble data packet. Because in the grand narrative of the internet, every data packet is a protagonist, embarking on an epic journey from one device to another.